When I tell you guys to always leave a video request in the comment section, I am not always joking. Personally, I do not even joke with my comment section. That's because I go through each of the comments, the hate comments, the lovely ones, everything. I do go through it. But you know what? I don't let them get to me because I started creating content since. So, as I'm talking to you, I have a thick skin already. There is nothing you say to me that will get to me. So why am I making this video? I am making this video in regards to some of the comments that some of my subscribers dropped. So if you're a faceless content creator having issues generating videos, generating images, audio, and what have you, I think it is best you watch this video. So guys, if this sounds like a video you love to watch, I am urging you to watch it from start to finish, because this video you may get to learn one or two things. So I don't want to talk too much, let us go straight to it. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will be using Google browser. So here on my Google browser, I'll just go ahead and type Z.AI. 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 So some persons can call it Z.AI, whatever. Just type Z.AI. So I'm gonna head to type Z.AI. This is it. This is their logo. Their logo is just Z. So I'll go ahead and click on it. So now that I've clicked on it, it has taken me to another interface. So this is the interface it has brought me, and I think I'm already logged in. So all I will do at this point is for me to log out so that you see the whole process. So I went ahead to log out of Z.AI. So watch me as I'm going to do everything. So I'm going ahead to type Z.AI again, and at this point it is loading. So after it is done loading, it will take me to another interface. Now this is the interface it has brought me to. I think I'm still logged in, but there is really no problem. Let's continue. Now once you log in for the first time, you have to sign up with your Google account. So after signing up with your Google account, it will bring you to an interface that looks like this. So once it brings you to this interface, you see here it says, "Hi Lioness Isaac." So it will show your name. So this particular AI tool is unique. It is unique. Why I say it is unique is because it does so many things that other AI tools cannot even do. So here you can use this particular AI tool for slides, you can use it for magic design, you can use it to write code, as well as doing your deep research. Now as a faceless content creator, I know what is running through your mind at this point. You'll be like, I don't understand, how does this relate to me? I do understand, I feel your pain, so calm down. So if you want to use it as a faceless content creator to create your videos, your images, and all of that, all you have to do is for you to look up here. Once you look up, you see these three dots at the top right hand side. You click on it. Once you click on it, you see you put your phone in desktop site. Now once you put your phone in desktop site, now it will bring you to an interface like this. The interface will look this way. Now I don't even notice something. It's bigger like this, right? Now once it opens like this, you have to look at the top left hand side here. You see 1 2 3 4 icons. Now you go ahead and click on that the Z logo there. Now once you click on the Z logo, you will see chat, you see agent, you see new chat, and all of that. Other things are being written in Chinese, you understand? Now at this point, all you have to do is for you to scroll up like this. Once you scroll up, you will see new product launch. So the very first thing you see here is OCR Z.AI. You see image Z.AI. Now you can go ahead and click on image Z.AI. Now at this point, I have clicked on image Z.AI. It has brought me to this interface. So because of you, I'll go ahead and remove my phone from desktop site so that you see all the things I want to do here. You see it clearly. So I'm gonna head to remove my phone from desktop site. This is the interface we have now. I think it's closer this way. is closer this way. So by default it's gonna be in aspect ratio 9:16. So the very first thing you have to do if you want to generate your images in 16:9, like for YouTube long form content, is for you to go ahead and click on this small arrow here. Now once you click on the small arrow, you see different aspect ratio. You go ahead and select any one of your choice. So go ahead and select 16:9 because I am a YouTuber. So I've selected 16:9. I'll go ahead and write what I want here. I'll give it a very simple prompt, because I don't want to waste your time. So where it says enter your creative description, I'll just say please kindly help me with an image of a flying car. I think I've used this before. Now if you look at this place, you see no watermark, meaning that this platform will generate for you without a watermark. So after writing your prompt, you can go ahead and make your prompt comprehensive. This is just a tutorial. So after writing your prompt, if you check here, you see start generation. Now let me tell you one amazing thing I so much like about this platform. Your prompt can be up to 4,000 characters. Like it can be very, very comprehensive. So I'll go ahead and click on start generation. So as I am telling it to start generation, I am simply telling it to generate for me. So if you look closely, you notice that it is generating already. So you just have to wait for it to get done generating. Then I think I omitted something. Let me show you this. Did you notice this? If you click on this small arrow, the one in the middle, you see that it is generating for me in 1K. It is generating for me in 1K. So if you look closely, you see 2K. I think that 2K is not free, but I think this is enough already. So our car is ready. So I can go ahead and click on it. Now if you want to download, you can long press. Once you long press, you see download here. You go ahead and download. At this point, I know you'll be like, so how can I make it move? Calm down. Just calm down. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So all I'm gonna do at this point again is for me to go ahead and put my phone in desktop site again. I am gonna have to put my phone in desktop site. So I will go back like this. I've gone back. It has brought me back to this particular place. Okay, I'll need to go back again because okay, I've gotten the interface I want. Now all I will do now is for me to go ahead and click on audio Z.AI. I have gone ahead to click on audio Z.AI. Now it has brought me to this interface. If you look at this interface closely, you'll notice that it is not written in English. If you look up here, you see English. I don't know what is wrong. If you look up here, you see English, but these things are not written. They are not written in English. Now, for us to make use of this thing very well, all we have to do is for us to take a screenshot. Now, you take a screenshot like this, you minimize it this way, then you go ahead and save it. Now that I have saved it, all I will do at this point is for me to use another browser. So I'm gonna minimize. I'm gonna use my Chrome. That was Google. I'll go ahead and use my Chrome. So on my Chrome, I'll go ahead and type ChatGPT. So this is my ChatGPT. I'm gonna hit to click on it. So here on my ChatGPT, I'll go ahead and click on this plus icon here. I have gone ahead to click on the plus icon. So it is telling me add photos. I'm gonna head to click on add photos. I'll go ahead and choose that image. Have clicked on done. Now here I'm gonna tell ChatGPT, please kindly translate this to English. Kindly translate this to English. I've gone ahead to click on send. Now ChatGPT is analyzing the image You understand, guys? Hold on, I am going to show you that thing you want to see. So this is it. This is what ChatGPT is telling me. This is what ChatGPT is telling me. It says left section, text to speech. Enter the text you want to convert into speech. So right section, audio settings. Okay, we have voice, female, and all of that. So this is it. So look at it. It means that this particular section is a text to speech, whatever, while this place is where you can put your prompt. So let's go back. So before I go back, let me just copy my prompt already. Let me copy my script already, because I have my script written down. I don't want to waste your time. So this is it. We are here. I'll go ahead and click on this particular place. I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. And I'll go ahead and hit generate here. I'll go ahead and hit generate. I'll go ahead and hit this one as well. So if you're one of those content creators always looking for an AI tool that will help you with a very nice audio, now I think this option is for you. So don't be scared. Once you come here, you find out that it is not written in English and all of that. All you have to do is for you to use this strategy. That is why we have ChatGPT. You understand? That's why we have ChatGPT. So guys, let's wait for it to get done generating. So guys, in case you don't want to use ChatGPT, you can literally change it from this platform. I know the ChatGPT whole stuff, like, it might stress you. So if you want to change it from here, you can just go ahead and click on this English at the top right hand side. So once you click on English, now can you see this? Automatically it has changed to English. So here it says text to speech. This is where you can go ahead to drop your prompt. So let's listen to this audio, guys.
You are absolutely killing it. Keep that amazing energy up. Nothing can stop you, girl. You're gonna rock it.
So guys, did you listen to that? Like, do you like the voice? So we are done with this already. Let me show you something else for those persons who were like, okay, how can I make my image move? How can I do this and all of that? So at this point, I'm still gonna use my Google. Here on my Google, I'll go ahead and type Google. I'll go ahead and type Google Flow. So I'm gonna head to click on the very first one here. I have clicked on it and I am waiting for it to take me to this interface. So it has brought me here. I'll go ahead and click on create with flow. I've gone ahead to click on create with flow. Guys, if you'll be using this platform for the very first time, please ensure that you sign up. Just go ahead and sign up with your Google account. So at this point, it has brought me here. I'll go ahead and choose a Google account of my choice. I've gone ahead to choose a Google account of my choice, and I'm just waiting for it to get done loading. So if you check below here, it says get started, view 3.1 light, power priority in ultra. I'll just go ahead and click on get started. I've gone ahead to click on get started. These are other things I've done here. I'll go ahead and click on new project. I have clicked on new project. So what I'm gonna do now is for me to go ahead and click on this plus icon here. I'll go ahead and click on the plus icon because I want my image to move. So I'm gonna head to click on the plus icon. I'll go ahead and click on upload image. I'll go ahead and click on upload image. I will choose that image. I've clicked on done, and here it says what do you want to create. So I'll just go ahead and say kindly make my car to fly. Okay, I don't want something complicated. I'll just go ahead and hit on generate. So guys, our video is ready, so I can just go ahead and click on it. Let's watch together. Let's watch it. So this is it, guys. I didn't even check. I think I made a mistake. I made a mistake in the sense that I did not check the aspect ratio. So if you need something like horizontal, all you have to do is for you to go ahead and click on this particular place. Once you click on it, you see this icon here. You see this interface, you see 16 by 9, you see 9 by 16. So you go ahead and choose whichever one you want. You understand? So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.